Hi everyone, let's look at today's question. Discuss the role of personal attitude in successful leadership. Please remember that before we can answer this question, we have to look at our descriptive verb or our cognitive verb. The descriptive verb is discuss. Over here, we require a greater depth of understanding from the candidate. Split marks are awarded. Let's look at the content. Attitude of leaders may influence the thinking and behavior of workers. Remember that the role of the leader is very, very important. A positive attitude brings leadership potential to the fore. That means that when we are positive, our leadership potential shows. Enthusiasm of a leader creates trust. So when our leader acts enthusiastically and does the task enthusiastically, this creates trust amongst employees. Let's look at our keywords. Workers, positive, and trust. Now we'll look at some images that will help us remember this content. Our first image is a bigger person in the middle, assuming that this is the leader, and the smaller images or the smaller people, those would be the employees. It's not to say that the employee is lesser than the leader, but the influence of the leader in a circle, just like a circle carries on, is going to affect the way that the employee behaves and thinks at work. Our second image is that of a head of a person, and we have a plus inside the mind of the person. This plus will hopefully remind you of the word positive and remind you that the positive attitude of a leader brings leadership potential out of other employees. Our last image is that of many people. Hopefully you will think here of some employees. It would appear that they are all working together and working as one. This image will hopefully remind you of trust and the fact that we need to trust each other when we work together. Let's remove our content now. We are left with the words workers, positive, and trust. Now I will remove the keywords. You are left with the images, and hopefully you can now remember the content from this lesson. Over to you now, and good luck.